Once upon a time, in the heart of North Africa, there existed a city of mystique and enchantment, Marrakech. Its narrow, winding streets, bustling markets, and vibrant colors whispered promises of adventure and self-discovery. Nestled beneath the Atlas Mountains, this city of dreams was a tapestry woven with the threads of centuries-old history and the vibrant hues of Moroccan culture. In the heart of Marrakech, there lived a weary traveler named Olivia. She had embarked on a journey of self-discovery, seeking solace from the cacophony of modern life and the pressures that had dulled the colors of her soul. Olivia's journey had brought her to the famous Jardin Naturel, a botanical oasis adorned with cobalt blue buildings, vibrant greenery, and pops of canary yellow. The air was perfumed with the sweet aroma of blooming bougainvillea, and the melodic sounds of exotic birds created a symphony that played in harmony with the rustling palm leaves. Olivia wandered through the garden, her senses heightened by the kaleidoscope of colors and the harmonious blend of nature's melody. As she strolled along the garden's paths, Olivia encountered a wise, old storyteller sitting beneath the shade of an ancient olive tree. His eyes, weathered by time, sparkled with the wisdom of 1,000 tales. Intrigued, Olivia sat down, drawn by the promise of stories that held the keys to unlocking the secrets of the soul. The storyteller began. Welcome, weary traveler, to Marrakech, where stories are etched in the walls of the Medina, and the whispers of the desert winds carry tales of old. Let me share with you the story of the Blue City. With those words, the storyteller transported Olivia to the heart of Chefchaouen, a city nestled in the Rif Mountains. Its cobblestone streets were lined with buildings painted in myriad shades of blue, creating a surreal dreamscape that seemed to float in the clouds. The scent of exotic spices and the rhythmic beats of traditional drums echoed through the narrow alleys. In Chefchaouen, Olivia discovered the power of color to transform the mundane into the extraordinary. As she meandered through the azure streets, she encountered locals weaving vibrant rugs and crafting intricate pottery. Each creation told a story of resilience, tradition, and artistry passed down through generations. In the evenings, Olivia sat in a rooftop cafe, sipping mint tea as the sun dipped below the mountains, casting a warm glow over the Blue City. The distant call to prayer mingled with the clinking of tea glasses, creating a melody that resonated deep within her soul. The storyteller continued. Now, let me take you to the heart of Marrakech's Medina, where the pulse of the city beats in rhythm with the vibrant market, the famous Jima Alfna. Transported once again, Olivia found herself in the midst of a bustling square, filled with storytellers, snake charmers, and the intoxicating aroma of exotic spices. The colors of the market were a feast for her eyes. Vibrant silks, intricate carpets, and glittering lanterns that danced in the evening breeze. As the storyteller wove tales of the square's history, Olivia became enamored with the rhythm of the city. She tasted the sweetness of dates, the spice of harira soup, and the flaky layers of pastilla. Each bite was a journey through centuries of culinary artistry, a testament to the rich tapestry of Moroccan cuisine. In the Medina, Olivia lost herself in the labyrinthine souks, discovering treasures hidden within the depths of the market. She bargained with local artisans, each transaction a dance of mutual respect and appreciation for the crafts that had been perfected over lifetimes. The storyteller's voice echoed. Now, let me take you beyond the city walls, to the vastness of the Sahara Desert. As the scene shifted, Olivia found herself atop a camel, traversing the golden dunes that stretched as far as the eye could see. The desert whispered secrets of time, its vastness humbling her existence. As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Olivia felt a profound connection to the universe. Underneath the star-studded desert sky, Olivia listened to the tales of Berber nomads who had called the Sahara home for centuries. Their stories spoke of resilience, adaptability, and an intimate connection to the land that shaped their identity. The desert, once a barren expanse, now held the promise of endless possibilities. The storyteller's voice, like a gentle breeze, guided Olivia through the intricate alleyways of Fez, the coastal charm of Essaouira, and the ancient ruins of Volubilis. With each destination, Olivia's senses expanded, and the colors of her soul deepened. In the final chapter of her journey, Olivia returned to Jardin Majorelle, where she had first encountered the storyteller. The wise, old man looked into her eyes and said, "Dear traveler, Marrakech has shown you the kaleidoscope of life, the vibrant colors, the harmonious sounds, and the rich flavors that awaken the spirit. Carry these stories with you as you continue your journey of self-discovery." As Olivia closed her eyes, she felt a profound sense of gratitude for the tapestry of experiences that had transformed her. Marrakech, with its enchanting tales and vibrant hues, had become a mirror reflecting the beauty within her own soul. And so, under the watchful gaze of the stars above, Olivia drifted into a peaceful slumber, carrying the echoes of Marrakech in her heart. As the sun sets over the enchanting city of Marrakech, let the echoes of its tales linger in your heart, inspiring you to embark on your own journey of self-discovery and cultural appreciation. Until we meet again, may your adventures be as vibrant as the colors of this magical city. Shukran and farewell.